Hey guys, my name is Heather and I wanted to tell you about one of the summer's must-have products, the Cool and Serve. And this is such a great product that it's actually a collection because we have several different pieces. They're great for indoor use or outdoor use. They'll stay cold for 2 to 4 hours and they're perfect to take with you in all of the things that you do in the summer. So I'm going to show you the bowls first. So we've got a small bowl and a large bowl. So your small bowl is going to do things like dips, fruit, guacamole, those kind of things. What's great about it is you have this interior liner and you have the shell, and then you have the cold packs. The cold packs are what make this so special. So you put the cold pack in there, down in the bottom, then you put your piece on top, and we're gonna imagine that there's a lid on this one because I forgot to pull it out of the cabinet. But there's a lid that goes on top and it actually snaps on like the big one. And the big one's really good for salads. It could be good for cooked meats. It could be good for sandwiches. But what's great is that the lid snaps on so you can take these with you to places. I use these in my house too, because you know, if you've got people over and you want to keep something cold on the countertop, something like this is the small square Cool and Serve. And what I use this for most is veggies and dip. So you put your veggies on the outside, you put your dip on the inside, and then you put your insert in down the bottom, just like this. And then you can keep that cold on your countertop. It also comes with a lid, so if you're going to a potluck or a picnic, you can take that with you. But what I also love is that when you have leftovers, you can pull your ice pack out, stick it back in the freezer so it's ready for when you need it, and stick this whole thing into your fridge. This was a lifesaver when my daughter was little. She would always ask us at night while I was cooking, can I have an appetizer? Yes, you can, my friend, because what was in here was a Greek yogurt dip with a little bit of seasoning from Pampered Chef and then veggies on both sides. She decided she loved them because she could dip them and eat them, but she didn't realize that she was getting a full serving of veggies long before dinner was even served. The last one that I have, there's one in between the small and this, and that's the large square, but that one I don't have out for you to see, but I have this one, which is the large rectangular. This is a 13x9 size, and I love this one for sandwiches. It has 2 inserts, so what you can do is if you don't want to keep your sandwiches cold, you could leave one insert off, put something on this side that doesn't have to be cool, or you can put both inserts in. This one is also great for dessert. We have a host of recipes on our website, including some icebox cakes that go in here. Love that. You can bring that to a party. You can leave it on somebody's counter. It's not gonna sweat through the bottom, which is great because you're not gonna leave condensation on their counter. And this one comes with a lid too. These inserts are so cool, that I actually keep them in my freezer at all times. Why do I keep them in my freezer? 1, because I need them to be ready when I'm ready to use them. But 2, they also make really good grocery ice packs. So I live in the South. It's really hot in the summer. Summers when I buy ice cream, but sometimes getting the ice cream from the store to the house is a challenge because it's 90 degrees outside, which means the car's 115, and just that 5-minute drive home can melt it down. Add one of these to your freezer bags and you're able to keep that ice cream cool all the way home. So take a look at the collection of Cool and Serve items and see which ones you need to add to your kitchen. Bye for now.